Last fall, when Mark and I went to Ohio for a wedding, we went thrifting along the way. It was quite fun. Had a great time thrifting all the way from Tennessee to Ohio. And in one of the thrift stores, I think it was a Goodwill, we bought 2 Christmas plates. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I packed them to ship them. A few scratches on it, not too bad. These are Better Homes and Gardens. The 2 plates, I paid $4.22 for both. They sold on offer for $20 plus shipping. I've already stored them with some styrofoam plates, and I'm going to use those same plates to layer these and add one more. If these get more expensive as time goes on, I'll go back to bubble wrap in between or foam wrap. I'm going to put a small square of large 1/2-inch bubble wrap in the center just to give my stretch wrap something to push against. I'm going to stretch wrap these together. Press that down. Put the thank you label on. It's nice and snug. Now, large bubble wrap. Not sure if I need 2 or 3 sheets. Yep, 2 will make it. So I'm going to do 2 sheets each direction. Fold this up and over and tape it with some masking tape. Fold that down, fold this in, fold the other end down slightly, fold it in, and tape it. You can find links for everything I use here, all my packing supplies, including these dispensers. You can find these in the description below the video. A longer piece of tape, just kind of tape the end a little bit. It's pretty good. Now, what size box should we put this in? I have a rectangular box. This is box number 1095, priority mailbox. Normally I use this for 1 single plate, but these plates are fairly small. So I'm going to test this out. Let's fold in one end. Yeah, I've got plenty of room here. So this is what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to seal up one end using their peel and stick tape or tab or whatever. Give this some extra tape on the end. Kind of fold it over on me, so. And I like to tape these ends too. By the way, I have 2 of these dispensers. One for the masking tape and one for the shipping tape. So first thing, 2 air pillows that I'm going to fit side by side, that I'm going to fit end to end in the bottom. As much as I can. Fit these in here. Try to keep them end to end. Then, I think for the outside of the sides here, I'm going to put the heavier padded side rather than the end that I've taped. I'm going to put it in here like this. You can see there's room to move around. We need to take care of that. I have a paper towel tube that I'm going to cut in half. And I like these because I can compress them. I'm going to fit one on each side of the package. So I'm kind of squishing it down and pushing it in to the halfway point. I know you can't see that, but that's what I'm doing. Eliminated the movement. I'll take some more air pillows and see if I can fit any of these on the side towards this end. No, I can't. Take a couple more air pillows and see if you can fill up the end. Do a check and see if this is going to shift at all. Nope, it's good. I'll get it sealed up and taped up. These plates are going out to GM in Kansas. I have a sample label. The box is completely packed. Let's check the weight. Came in at 2 pounds, 10 ounces. On our channel, Avante Avenue, I have lots of pack and ship videos organized by playlist, so I hope you check it out. If you like these videos, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and I'll see you soon.